Hello students. Today we start the chapter 7 of accountancy class 11th accounting equation. After going through this chapter or topic, we will be able to understand the meaning of accounting equation, that is assets is equals to liability plus capital, format of accounting equation, and also know about the steps or process how to write business transactions in the form of accounting equation and their effects. Let's start with the meaning of accounting equation. An accounting equation is a mathematical equation which shows that the assets and liabilities, outside liabilities and capital of a firm are equal. Accounting equation is a mathematical relationship of different assets, liabilities and capital of the business, which is expressed in the form of accounting equation. It is the equality between the total assets is equals to total claims. The liabilities and capitals plus means total claims. The basic elements are assets, liabilities and capital. These three basic elements, assets, liabilities and capital, we are already discussed in the chapter 2 basic accounting terms, the meaning of asset, liabilities and capital. Let's revise. Assets are the company's resources that the company own. Assets are tangible and intangible. The tangible assets which we can touch or seen, like furniture, building, machinery, and the intangible assets which cannot be seen or touched, for example goodwill, copyright, patents. And the liabilities are the company's obligations that the company owns, for example bank loan, creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses. And the last is capital, means owner's equity, or it also known as net assets. Now start the first element of accounting equation, assets. Assets are our company resources. We start with the examples of assets which already discussed in chapter 2. Cash, bank, stock, furniture, debtors, शेयर्स जिसमें हमने अपनी मनी इन्वेस्ट की है, प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस, accrued income, prepaid expenses, expenses paid in advance, accrued income, income earned but not received, building, machinery, computer and investment, etc. These are our assets. So when we start the accounting equation, if we purchase or if the asset come into the business, it always add in accounting equation. And if the asset is gone out from the business or sold out from the business, it's deducted from the assets. Means अगर assets आएंगी तो ऐड होंगी और assets जाएंगी बिजनेस से, सोल्ड होंगी तो वो डिडक्ट होंगी. The next element is liabilities. Liabilities are our obligations, means creditors, जो आपके सप्लायर्स हैं जिनसे आपने क्रेडिट में रॉ मटेरियल परचेज किया है. Our outstanding expenses, expenses which are due for previous years, bank loan, unearned income, income received in advance, bills payable, etc. So when we put in accounting equation, if liability create, अगर कोई liability create हो रही है, increase हो रही है, तो it should be added in the accounting equation. And if the liability paid, अगर कोई liability आप पे कर रहे हो तो डिक्रीज हो रही है तो इट इज डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर हेड ऑफ liability. अगर आपकी liability एराइज हो रही है तो it should be add in the liability side of form. And if it is paid, अगर आपने पे कर दी है liability, तो it should be deducted from the that head of the liability. For example, if we have paid bank loan, so it is deducted from the liability side under the head bank loan. If we paid amount to the supplier, it will be deducted from the creditors. Creditors is the head of the supplier, तो इस टाइटल हेड से हम डिडक्ट कर देंगे. एंड इफ़ वी परचेज गुड्स फ्रॉम द सप्लायर, तो इट्स क्रिएट द लायबिलिटी. यहाँ लायबिलिटी क्रिएट हो रही है, तो इट इज़ एडेड टू द क्रेडिटर्स. क्रेडिटर्स में लायबिलिटी ऐड हो जाएगी. एंड इफ़ वी पेड टू द क्रेडिटर, तो इट विल बी डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम द creditors. Now the last element is capital. Capital increase or decrease कब होगी in accounting equation? If we introduce the capital into the business, if we earn profit, if we earn income, or if we earn revenue. इन दो आइटम्स की वजह से हमारी कैपिटल इंक्रीज होगी. एंड डिक्रीज कब होगी? व्हेन withdraw money for personal use or in case of losses or expenses. If we introduce capital into the business, it will always increase. आप उसे add कर लोगे. If in business we earn profit, income or revenue in the form of sales, commission received, rent received, dividend received, discount received, interest received, अगर आपको कोई भी इनकम फॉर्म में कोई भी प्रॉफिट रेवेन्यू रिसीव हुआ है, तो इट शुड बी एडेड इन द कैपिटल. एंड इफ इन एडिशनल कैपिटल या कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस इन द बिजनेस, इट्स ऑल्सो इंक्रीज द कैपिटल. एंड इट इज़ डिक्रीज इफ कैपिटल विदड्रॉ फॉर द पर्सनल यूज और लॉसेज और एक्सपेंसेस क्रिएटेड इन द बिजनेस. The examples of losses and expenses are cartage, rent paid, wages paid, commission paid, depreciation, discount allowed, interest paid. These are the examples of loss and expenses which is deducted from the capital head. So it means capital increase when capital is introduced in the business or may earn profit, income or revenue in the form of these heads. And capital is decrease in the form of drawing or losses and expenses. Capital, introduce capital and profit, capital business में add हो जाएगा accounting equation में capital head में. If we withdraw the capital for personal use or if we loss or expenses in the business, so it will deduct it from the capital. Now the accounting equation is clear. Explain about the word clear. CLEAR. C means capital, L means liability, E means expenses and losses, A means assets, R means revenue, income and profit. Expenses or revenue. Expenses are deducted from capital. Revenue, income and profits are added in capital. तो capital की को हम लिख सकते हैं capital plus revenue minus expenses. कैपिटल में रेवेन्यू को रेवेन्यू इनकम्स एंड प्रॉफिट्स ऐड हो जाएंगे और एक्सपेंसेस कैपिटल से डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन, दैट इज द वर्ड क्लियर. आप इस क्लियर वर्ड से इसको ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन. अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन के फॉर्मेट में first column is a serial number, second column is the details of transaction, and the third column is related to your accounting equation. We write accounting equation here: assets is equals to liability plus capital. फॉर्मेट में एसेट्स में हम जितनी भी एसेट्स होंगी हमारी ट्रांजेक्शन टू ट्रांजेक्शन वो एसेट्स हम लिखेंगे. लायबिलिटीज़ हेड में लायबिलिटीज़ लिखेंगे जो हमने अभी पीछे एग्जांपल्स किए हैं. एसेट्स के एग्जांपल्स किए हैं हमने, बिल्डिंग, मशीनरी, कैश, डेटर्स, बिल्स रिसीवेबल्स, बैंक। लायबिलिटीज़ में किया है क्रेडिटर्स, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस, एडवांस इनकम, बिल्स पेबल। कैपिटल में हम 4 चीज़ें लेंगे, additional capital, revenue, income and profit are added in the capital. Loss, expenses and drawing are deducted from the capital. Thank you.